Yo, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to boost your FPS and lower your lag in Philly Streetz 2, Roblox. Alright guys, so first you want to go to settings, and then you want to go to camera mode, make sure it's on follow. Camera sensitivity, you want to leave this on the default one. Experience language, English, automatic chat translation. Turn this on, and then make sure your chat translation language is on Chinese traditional. And then you want to make sure your option to view untranslated message is off. Output device, make sure this is on PS4 audio output. Volume, you want to make sure this is on the third bar. Haptics, on. Full screen, you want this on. Graphics mode, automatic. Reduce motion, on. Background transparency, leave that alone. Text size, you want this on the smallest one. Performance stats, off. Camera inverted, off. Show people's names, off. And then display badges, show. And then that's pretty much it for optimizing it. And then once you do all that, you want to go all the way back up to where it says the automatic chat translation, and then you want to turn this off. And then also make sure the volume's on the third bar. And then once you've done all that, you pretty much optimized it. So everything's a lot smoother. But if you want to go a step further, you're going to want to change settings in the PlayStation. So here's the one that I want you to do. You want to go to your notifications and then just make sure everything's cleared out. So check your downloads, check your uploads, make sure there's none. And then you want to go to settings, accessibility, tap invert colors, and then toggle it off to reset the GPU. And then you want to go to devices, Bluetooth devices, and then you want to press the DualShock, and then you want to disconnect it, and then unplug the wire from your controller, and then plug it back in. And then you want to hold the PlayStation button, and then it'll connect back, and that pretty much recalibrates your controller. Then you want to go down to initialization, then clear the learning dictionary, and then you want to go to the trophies. Go to Roblox, and then sync with PlayStation Network. And after that, you want to go to your internet browser, go to close window. Then you want to go to browsing history, make sure there's none. Settings, you want to delete cookies, and then clear website data. And after that, that's pretty much all there is to optimize it on a basic level. But you'll notice that there's a lot less lag compared to when you didn't optimize it. And then after that, you want to make sure that you hold the PlayStation button, and then make sure your your hovering square, your hovering rectangle is on the sound and devices, so it prioritizes your controller's input lag. And then, if you do on any other one else, I've tested it, you have a little bit more lag, but just make sure you hover over sound and devices every single time, and you'll get a lot less lag. And then you'll notice everything will be a lot smoother. And yeah.